Hello fellow stargazers, welcome back to the ToupTek Astro channel. In this video, we bring you a tutorial on StellaVita wired bridging, making StellaVita signal more stable, transmission faster, and wireless control range longer. Plus, with wired bridging, the box no longer needs to use its wireless network adapter, freeing up its USB port for other devices. Step 1. Physical connections. Connect the Ethernet cable. Plug one end into any LAN port of the router and the other end into StellaVita's Ethernet port. Use a USB-C cable to connect the box and the router, so the box powers the router. If the router can be powered by an alternative 5-volt source, such as a power bank, the StellaVita's USB port is freed up for other accessories. Alternatively, you can purchase a 12-volt DC to 5-volt USB-C power adapter and power the router via the StellaVita's DC output port. Power on StellaVita. Step 2. Connect your mobile device to the router's Wi-Fi. Step 3. Obtain StellaVita's IP address. Open a browser, enter the router's management address, log in with the admin password. The router's bottom label shows the web address and login info. In clients or connected devices, find the IP address assigned to the box, e.g. 192.168.10.167. Enter the StellaVita app, go to Network Management, manually enter the IP address you found, and tap Connect. Connection successful. Compare the peak transfer speed of 600 seconds single frames before and after wired bridging. The peak transfer speed can reach 21 megabytes per second, nearly 3 times faster than the box's native Wi-Fi. For users of high-resolution cameras like the ATR 2600C or SkyEye 62AC, this significantly improves the image transfer experience. Try this method on your next stargazing session for smoother, more reliable astrophotography. Finally, check out this compact DIY combo by a StellaVita user. 3D printed mounts that neatly attach the router to the box. We welcome more stargazers to share your own creative setups and fresh perspectives.